If you receive a card of Fir White, then you know straight away that it's all about past life experience of yours. So Fir White, acting as a messenger from the past lives, remind you that there have been some experience then that you could not digest. So it's time now. The aim of Fir White is to restore the continuity of the knowledge from all the incarnations. The informational properties of fir is very closely connected to cause and effect laws of karmas. Means that it's time to realize mistakes and misconceptions of the previous life, to let go with gratitude, so those mistakes are no longer in control, and use the lessons that you have learned to improve yourself here in this life. Rudolf Steiner used to say that there's 3 ways to clear karma. First, it's conscious realization of lessons of cause and effect of the past lives. Second, it's the karmic disease. And another one is accident. And the Fir White came into your reading just to open the door from the past experience and help you to realize those mistakes and misconceptions that happened there, to bring them and to apply them in the situations in the current life. And this will help you deactivate this karmic lesson. And the most important, to extract and restore lost resources that have been buried since. And if during reading this card coming in positive means the energies and experiences of past incarnations are flowing into your life, they are helping you with gratitude and responsibility, I accept them. And if this card's coming in negative, means the roots of current problem are not here, but in the past lives. And at this moment, you have ability now with your emotion, thoughts, and actions to heal this problem. Good luck.